In this video, I'm going to show you the right way to promote Clickbank products on Pinterest. A lot of the videos that you're seeing right now over on YouTube are using outdated techniques that no longer work. So if you want to learn the correct way to do it, make sure you watch this entire video. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt, and as an affiliate marketer, I've successfully promoted everything from stand mixers to sound bars, microwaves, security cameras, online courses, and even web hosting. If you want real affiliate marketing tips, tricks, and hacks, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my free unemployee handbook. That handbook will teach you how to make money online step by step. All right, so as I mentioned in this video, we're just going to look at the right way to promote Clickbank products on Pinterest. I'm going to show you some examples of people that are doing it the right way. We're going to take a look at some examples of people who are doing it the wrong way and how you need to do it to actually get clicks and sales. So first things first, let's go ahead and take a look at YouTube. Some of these videos are over a year old, and quite frankly, a lot has changed over on Clickbank. In fact, this is my video right here. This video is probably outdated too. A lot has changed over on Pinterest. I did it again. A lot has changed over on Pinterest, and these techniques are probably not going to work for you simply because Pinterest has changed what they're focusing on. They've changed what's important to them to keep up and compete with the other social media platforms. We know that the other social media platforms are heavily focused on stories. They're heavily focused on vertical videos. And so that's what Pinterest is doing. So let me show you a few examples of people that are successfully promoting Clickbank products over on Pinterest. So the first one that I want to show you is called Keto Weight Loss Recipes. If we take a look at this profile, you see they have only 53 followers. The follower count doesn't matter. What matters is the monthly views. 27,000 views isn't a lot, but this is a fairly new account. But you can see here that they're promoting a variety of different products over on Clickbank. And what they're doing is working. And you can actually model this and do it too. I'm going to show you exactly where they're getting these images from. I'm going to show you how they're coming up with these ideas. It's actually really, really simple. So this is one example. Another example, and this one is the relationship body sketch niche. And if this works, as you can see, the soulmate sketch, this person has 700 followers. Again, follower count doesn't matter. They're sending their traffic over to Linktree. I don't necessarily recommend it. There's a better way, but you can see this is the channel, and they've done some things right, but they're doing a few things wrong as well. So let's go ahead and get into it and figure out the right way to do it. The first thing that you want to do, obviously, is head on over to Clickbank. Now, if you don't know what Clickbank is, it is a marketplace that almost anyone can join to find different affiliate programs. As you can see here, I'm over here on the marketplace, and these are all of the different products that you can promote. Any of these products can and will work if you have the targeting. The most important thing that you can do for your affiliate marketing business is get your targeting down. And some of these products can actually help you out with that. So first things first, let's go ahead and just use this one, XPeer, since it's already at the top here. What we're going to do is we're first going to click on the affiliate page. When you click on the affiliate page, you can see they have a ton of information. This information is really designed to help us be successful. In these affiliate pages, you'll find the target audience. You'll actually get a few tips. You'll get a few ideas on the types of content you should create. You'll actually find some images as well. What I recommend that you do is find affiliate products that provide a ton of information. As you can see, these pictures here are the exact pictures that this channel or profile are using in order to get in front of their targeted audience. You can see here, there are all sorts of images, and they're doing that the right way. So if we look at this, we can get an idea of the type of content to create just based on the images. So if we look at this, the target audience are people that want to lose weight, people that maybe have an underlying health issue, and you can use that to go ahead and create content. If we scroll up too, these email swipes are designed to touch on a pain point. You can use this as well as opportunities or ideas to create content over on Pinterest. So if we look at this one, for example, 10 cups of water a day slows metabolism. So what we could do is create a Pinterest pin. So what you'd want to do is you want to create content based off of the information that they give you. So this is really step one. Find a product to promote and make sure that they have a very detailed affiliate page. This is going to help you speed up your work. You can also type in the name of the product that you're promoting over on Pinterest, and that can give you a ton of ideas as well. When I came up here and I just typed in XPeer like this, you're going to see there are tons of these channels out here promoting it, but they're probably not doing it the right way. You can see before after pictures work very well. Women in bikinis, you can see all of this can work. This person actually looks like they superimposed Xpure into the a woman, an image of a woman holding it. That's another option as well. But what I recommend that you do is I actually recommend that you create stories or idea pens. And more specifically, I recommend that you create video idea pens. And I'm going to show you how to do that. Now, one of the drawbacks to video idea pens or idea pens in general is that you cannot add a link. These other pins, you can add in a link that go to a website or directly to an affiliate offer. Side note, I don't recommend you sending people over to an affiliate offer. Send them to a landing or bridge page or website of some sort. The reason being is, let's say Xpure no longer works. There's no longer an affiliate program. If you're sending people directly over to an affiliate offer, you are losing out on all that traffic that would click on that Pinterest pin. You can't go back and change the link. So send people to a landing page, blog post, website. Side note. Anyway, now that you can see that the type of content that is working, now we need to go out and create that content. What you'd want to do, if you don't want to show your face, you can use a website like Canva. So we type in canva.com. And now remember, we're using or promoting Xpure. Xpure is a weight loss supplement. And what we can do is we can type in Pinterest or mobile video. Let's do mobile video. We'll do video like this, and then we can do mobile video. This is going to be the correct dimensions and size for any vertical videos. And what we can do is we can take a look at the videos that Pinterest provides, or we can go out to a website like Pexels, or if you want to use paid tools, you can use Storyblocks to find paid videos. So what we can do is we can type in something like female and hit enter. And we're going to go over to, let's click on elements here and type in female again, like this. And we can find free templates of women. You want to make sure that you are searching for free. Let's see if we can scroll here. Let's just use this one, for example. Now, this is a pro one. And if we decide to use this one, we'd actually have to pay. But what we can do is we can just spend a few minutes creating a video out of this image, or we can go over to videos and we can use one of these. So let's just grab this one, for example. We'll delete the back one, and we're just going to adjust this. Now, you want to make sure that you are creating the content that is going to resonate with your target audience. Your target audience are women that want to lose weight. So we might want to find someone that is a little bit overweight or someone that's relevant to your niche, and you're simply going to download the images that are here, and you're going to upload them into Canva. And then you're going to add a little bit of content. And we can grab that content from, let's see, let's go back over to Xpure. Let's look at email swipes. And what we want to do is we can use this email swipe. 10 cups of water a day slows metabolism. That is going to get people to stop and read, simply because it is in stark contrast of what everyone else thinks when it comes to weight loss. So spend a couple minutes, pick and pull the copy from the email, and then you can put this right into your Pinterest pin. Make it look a little bit decent, make it look pretty, and then you're going to click share and download. Okay, and once you download it, you can upload it into Pinterest. But before you do that, the most important thing that you need to do when you're creating these idea pens is you need to have a landing page. So if we go back over to this one right here, you can see where we go. We lost it. So if we click back here a couple times, we're going to go over to that Pinterest profile. So this person is sending people over to buyers-zone.blogpost.com. What I recommend that you do is I recommend that you buy your own domain name and web hosting. Now, I'll put a link in the description to my favorite domain name and web hosting. The reason why you want to do that is so that you have more control. Let's say 3 months from now, Blog Post decides that they no longer want to work with affiliate marketers. It's happened in the past, or they want to severely restrict the type of content they create. If that happens, this profile here is limited because a lot of their content is tied to this Blogspot URL. What I recommend that you do is go out and get your own domain name and web hosting. It costs less than $100, but it's an investment. If you get one sale from this Xpure, it'll pay you on average $149. So Are you willing to give away or to buy an asset for $100 if you have the potential to make $149 back multiple times? That answer should be a clear and obvious yes. Can you use Blogspot and some of the other free ones out there? Yes, but I don't recommend it. And so what you want to do is go ahead, set up a blog, set up a website. A few of these blog posts that they've set up are only a few hundred words. So if we look at keto diet recipes, they have an image here that takes you right over to Xpeer. But you can see this is only a few hundred words. 10 cups of water a day slows metabolism. And they basically just got this copy word from this email copy. And so that's what you can do too to get people to buy. It doesn't have to be something that is heavily involved or, affiliate marketing 201. You just want to make sure that you are creating content to get in front of your targeted audience and pull them over to your website. And you can see that this Pinterest profile is doing a decent job of that. You want to make sure that you go ahead and set this up and get it verified. There are a few different ways to have your URL verified. Make sure that you do that before you upload your first Pinterest pin. It doesn't take that long, but this is the most important step. What I recommend that you do and what works best for me is about 3 to 5 uploads per day. And what I do actually is I repurpose all of my content from TikTok and Instagram, and I put it right in Pinterest. And what I do, the final step that I make is I make both an idea pin and a regular pin. It's the same video, but I put them in both places, and that actually helps me get even more traffic. So the first step is to find a product to promote over on Clickbank. What you can do is you can just type in the name of that product right into Pinterest to see what other people are doing. Once you have a product idea, you want to take a look at the affiliate page, and you can use the copy that's on the affiliate page to help you craft your Pinterest pins. Also grab the images. The more images, the more information that they provide for you over on Clickbank, the better the product is in the long run, because they're willing to put in their time, energy, and effort to help you be successful, because they know that if you're successful, they're successful. So that is step number 2. You find a product, make sure it has a ton of stuff to help you. Step 3 is to create a Pinterest profile if you haven't already done so. Once you create that Pinterest profile, you want to make sure that you are doing idea pins and video pins. You can do it for free on Canva. You don't have to show your face if you don't want to. Step 4 is before you upload your first video is you get your domain name and web hosting. Don't use Linktree. I don't recommend Linktree. Domain name and web hosting, and you want to verify your domain. And then you simply just upload 3 to 5 pins per day within your niche, and you can see that this actually works out pretty well. Now that you know how to get up and running with Clickbank and Pinterest, click my first link in the description for my free unemployee handbook. That handbook features a 4-step guide to help you earn commissions with affiliate marketing for free. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbold.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbold.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.